So this is Jeff Mucci with RCR Wireless News. We're here with Raouf Halim, who's the CEO of Mindspeed. Thanks for joining us today.
My pleasure. Good to have you with us.
Give us a brief history of Mindspeed.
Well, Mindspeed Technologies is a communication semiconductor company focused exclusively on infrastructure opportunities. We've been public now for 8 years, NASDAQ listed, symbol MSPD. We employ now with Picochip about 700 employees worldwide, roughly half of whom are in the US and about half overseas.
What gap did Picochip fill in your product line?
Well, Picochip was really a perfect fit for Mindspeed's wireless initiative. We believe that the convergence of 4G and 3G wireless infrastructure is the single most exciting communication semiconductor opportunity that there is out there. Mindspeed has been very strong now for many years in the 4G LTE space, but we quickly learned that it's not just about 4G. You also have to have the world-class 3G HSPA complementary capabilities, and Picochip fit that gap, if you will, perfectly, and also give us a big leg up in terms of intimacy with mobile service providers.
How does a $160 million a year chip company compete with the giants in this emerging LTE small cell architecture space?
Well, it's really very simple. It's all about focus. We believe that the combination of Mindspeed and Picochip, in fact, has more resources focused on compact base stations or small cells, as you refer to them, than either of our next two competitors. So we believe we have the scale, in fact, in infrastructure specifically that is required to win today and win long term.
You mentioned you had 700 employees with a combination of Pico and Mindspeed. Can you talk about the core competencies of your team today and some of the skill sets that you believe you'll need in the future to compete effectively?
Certainly. Well, the key core competency of Mindspeed, and especially with Picochip now, is its strength in systems on a chip or SoC development, and also the requisite carrier class software that goes with the SoC. We're pioneers in this arena. We developed the world's first base station on a chip and sampled that at Mobile World Congress, in fact, 2 years ago. A year ago, we showed HD TV services running on that SoC, and today we're showing both TD, LTE, and FDD LTE, as well as HSPA, all combined in single systems on a chip. So it's a very exciting progression of our competencies around systems on a chip and carrier class software going forward. We believe we have essentially all the intellectual property and the horsepower we need to deliver to carriers' requirements today and in the future.